Objective 2. Find the interquartile range for a set of data. The interquartile range, which is also abbreviated as IQR, is the range of the middle 50% of the observations of your data set. We can find the IQR by the formula. IQR is equal to quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So in the example that we started out with in this first part of the lecture was the following data representing the percentages of divorces in 1996 for selective countries. So recall that we found that this 5 was the minimum, quartile 1 was 53, quartile 2 was 63, quartile 3 was 66, and the maximum largest was 68. So if we want to calculate the IQR, or the interquartile range, is equal to quartile 3 minus quartile 1. Well, we know that quartile 3 was 66, quartile 1 is 53, so 66 minus 53 is 13. So the interquartile range is 13 for this set of data. Now let's calculate the range. Now the range is different than the interquartile range. Remember that the range is equal to the largest number minus the smallest number. The largest number was 68, the smallest number was 5. 68 minus 5 is 63. So the range is equal to 63. Now discuss whether the IQR and the range seem to be sensitive or resistant to the outliers 5 and 6. Well, for one, range is affected by the outliers, and therefore it is sensitive because you're using 68 and 5. Whereas the interquartile range is not affected by outliers, it's resistance, because you're dealing with the middle 50% of the data, which goes from quartile 1 to quartile 3.